Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can fix Windows 11 login problems. This method works only if you remember your Windows 11 password and you're sure it's correct, but your computer keeps rejecting it or does not log you in properly. Let's get started. First, on the login screen where you're having trouble signing in, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While still holding the Shift key, click on the power icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then select Restart from the options. Keep holding the Shift key until your computer restarts and you see a new screen with different recovery options. On this screen, choose Troubleshoot. Then, on the next screen, select Advanced Options. In the Advanced Options menu, choose Startup Settings. After that, you will see a list of different startup modes. Here, click on the Restart button. Once your computer restarts again, you will see another screen with a list of options labeled from F1 to F9. From this list, press F5 on your keyboard. This will select the option Enable Safe Mode with Networking. Now, your Windows 11 operating system will start in safe mode. It may take a few seconds. Once it starts, the screen will look a little different. The background will be black, and you will see the words Safe Mode written in all four corners of the screen. Once you're inside the system in safe mode, this confirms that your password is working and the issue might be with the normal startup process. Now, click on the Start menu, then select the power icon and choose Restart. Your computer will now restart normally. When you return to the login screen again, enter your password as usual and press Enter. This time, you should be able to log into your Windows 11 system without any problem. This method has worked for many users facing the same issue, and it should hopefully work for you as well. Thanks for watching.